where t is measured in seconds. How much time does a ball take to reach its highest point? What is the height of that point? Okay, if you graph this, miss, here we go. That's the projectile motion that's going to follow. The highest point, obviously, is right here, and it hasn't, in this case, the x value, which means t seconds. They mean the same thing. And here the height, here's your maximum height, and your height is in feet. So from here to here, y equals 2 feet. Does that make sense, miss? Okay, we need to figure out what the highest point is. To do that, we need to find out what is it from here to here. And there's a formula. The formula is x equals 2 negative b times 2 times a. Where do we get the a and b? Well, this is where we get it from. Watch out. We have h equals to negative 16t squared plus 52t. That follows this formula. So y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. See that? This is my a. This corresponds to my a. This corresponds to my b. These are the numbers that are going to go here. So we have negative 52. That's my b. Over 2 times a. My a is negative 16. So we put in a calculator to figure out what that value is. So we have negative 52 divided by parentheses 2 times negative 16. See, they can do that. You press enter. That gives me, oh, forgot to put negative 16. Damn, never mind. My bad, my bad. That's why I got a negative. You're not supposed to get a negative. So second enter, second insert, negative. What I did is I put a point instead of negative 16. You see this? Again, negative 52 divided by 2 times negative 16. So the answer is 1 point. So this would be 1.625. X represents the time in seconds.
Okay.
So this would be seconds. So when it travels 1.625 seconds, it's going to reach the maximum height. To get the maximum height, that's easy. We grab the original one. H equals negative 16. But instead of putting a t, I'm going to put the seconds that I found. 25 square plus 52 times 1.625. And I put that in a calculator to figure out my answer. So I'm going to put negative 16 parentheses 1.625 square plus 52 parentheses 1.625 again. Press enter, and that's my maximum height. I get a height of 42.25 feet. Alright, so it'll be, okay, here it is. Remember, here's the answer, B.
Okay.
If they travel 1.625 seconds, the maximum height is 42.25. So here's the key. This is what a lot of students forget. This is the formula they need to memorize. To find my x first, and then whatever you get from your x, you're going to plug it back into the equation to find my y, or my height in this case.
Okay. X equals negative b over 2a is the formula you said. Okay.
Yeah, so right here. Yeah, that's what x is, and they need to relate the formula, the quadratic function given to them. They call it the projectile motion function into this. The only thing was missing the c, but we don't need the c. So I could have just put 0 there for c because it wasn't there.
Okay.
Got it, miss?